Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation. This is Scramble from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and I would like to share with you a day trade for which I prepared $25,000 in my sort of a way budget, and I'm ready to go inside this trade with the entire amount on a very high leverage, guys. So we're going to take a long position on 80x, attention, 80x long position, the maximum possible, which in our case scenario, I have decided on 50 Bitcoins. And I already put it right here, 50 Bitcoins, market order. I'm going into the trade right now. Opening long. Take a look at that. Order cost 18,564. Estimated liquidation 22,307, which is $107. We're going in, guys. 50 Bitcoins on my position. Take a look at that. We got it, open it up. 22,446 is the entry price. Liquidation 22,334, which means around $120. And I paid for this margin 17,664. I'd like to add a little more to this margin, which means I'm going to increase the margin with the available balance 6,800. So I'm going to add $6,800 to this balance. This way, I'm going to get a more position margin. Just like I said, I dedicated 25 grand to this one. Still got $70 there. Let me do this. Right. Okay, so we have zero available balance right now. We've got position margin 24,533 with 66.67 leverage. It decreased the leverage amount because we added some more position margin to it. So we added more margin to our position, which means that the liquidation decreased a little more, and we have some sort of a way applied for a more stable position. Now, the price is decent so far. I got around, what's that? It's about 2,000, 1,600, 1,500 bucks profit on this trade. You know, it's depending at which price do you look at, the mark price or the live price of the market. There's two different prices. And it's 22,455 and I got into at 22,446. We'll see how this one plays out, but never ever do this kind of things unless you are prepared to, number one, be involved in a very highly risky market. Number two, have a very good proper entry on your trade and execute it quickly. And number three, ready to lose the money in the worst case scenario. Of course, not the entire amount, but whatever is going to be out there. Now, having in mind it's 66.67 leverage, and I got into with 80, it's going to be a significant amount lost if this is going to get lost. I'm not going to let it get liquidated. I'm going to put a stop loss above the liquidations, which is 22,197, and we're going to walk around it right here. Take a look at that. 22,235, right? So this way we have about $40 difference between the liquidation and the current price, which is pretty much enough for me to get the protection I'm looking for and get the room between the price I set and the liquidation. So then it's not going to be an issue to talk about liquidations. Mark price 22,235 will trigger market stop loss order. Your expected loss will be 10,577. And this thing can happen in less than 30 seconds from now if the market is going lower, guys. So I'm going to confirm that, but I also wanted to consider taking a look on the upper side. For example, what if we cross 22,600? We get 7,600 back, right? So we'll see if we can do that, but I'm not going to set that take profit, and I'm going to watch the market closely and then resume the recording whenever I have a result for this trade, guys. Let's take a look. I'm going to confirm with a stop loss and I'll put it like that. Okay, guys, so we're not gambling and we're not joking. Just let you know, this is very serious business and you must be highly aware when you are engaging in such activities. We've already done the technical analysis and everything that's necessarily, so I'm not afraid about this one at all. Let's just wait for the results. All right, everyone, here we go with my trade. Well, it had played out very well. Take a look at that. We got into the bottom, right? Which means that the upper line that has it is actually a dot line. That one is our entry, and then the stop loss is the green line, which is sitting above. I'm sorry, below at 22,235. 22,235 stop loss. It's right here set. SL means 22,235. We would have lost 10,577. It's mentioned over there. Make sure you select the highest quality from the settings of the video to see all the details very well. We have high quality. It also depends on your connection and from the device you're watching, but we have very high quality in order to see all the little details. So we got that 22,235 actually stop loss right here under the structure, which means that it would have been invalidated, right? So we had it over there, and our entry was 22,446. 22,446, which is the upper green line out of this two guys, exactly in the bottom. We have longed on 80 leverage. Then I had added some little margin over there, and the leverage went down to 66.67. So we have here about, I don't know, $17,000, $18,000, $19,000. We'll see how much is this exactly after I'm selling my position. I'll simply execute a market order, and I'm going to confirm this. This is a 50 Bitcoin trade, guys, on a very large leverage. There you go. My contracts have been sold. Now the only thing I have to do is to go into my account and take a look at the results. So here we are, guys. That's it. 50 BTCs, 22,446, exit 22,841. This is around $400 increase in the price of Bitcoin. With a 50 Bitcoins trade, we've made $14,433. That's it, guys. That's how you do large leverage trades. That's how I'm having fun on the markets, by trading this kind of things. We got into 80x leverage and we made $14,433. Did I try to copy paste this kind of activities out of the blue and just like that do? The fact that it is all coming after an extensive process of learning how the business works, and that's basically where we can do it here at scramblecoaching.com. guys, make sure you check out the website and learn more about my coaching program. I'm running a one-on-one coaching program for those of you looking for interest in how to trade. This is where you can find details about my coaching. Watch the video, register now, and you will qualify for a free conversation with me if you think this is important for you to learn before joining this business. And you have more details here. So yep, that's pretty much all about. I also have services representing full trading done for you through API, which is something I'm also doing, guys, so you can take a look at that as well. Beautiful. Well, that's all, guys. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.